Hey there, fellow travelers, Mark.
And Jocelyn with Wolters World and Simply Jocelyn.
And the last few weeks, we've been traveling around the western U.S. and the center of the U.S. to see more of this beautiful country.
We have drug our kids along, and they have been online schooling in the midst of all of it. So we've been chronicling all of this, and we're going to have a whole lot of videos. We're kind of going to pummel you with Instagram and Twitter and Facebook posts with lots of information, yeah?
So you know what it's like to travel in the fall of 2020, which is a bit more complicated than the last few years.
A
little bit. But we want you to see that we've done it, and so what other people can do as well, because we're enjoying this beautiful country. So Nebraska, Illinois, Wyoming, Idaho, Montana,
South Dakota.
Yeah, South Dakota, a lot of stuff here. I mean, George is here, if you haven't noticed. George from Rushmore, we were here as well, not Rushmore. But we just want to show you what it's like, and we hope you'll join up. So starting September 30th, we will actually having videos on my channel every Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday on Wolters World, and on Simply Jocelyn, there'll be probably Monday, Thursday, and Friday there'll be new videos from our adventures. So do come along. We hope to join you, and you can see what it's like traveling these days, because it's a little different.
It's different, but it's a whole lot of fun.
Yep, so we wish you all the best, and bye from here at
Mount Rushmore.
There you go.
Bye.